Hello everybody, welcome back. So this is the backyard, and I usually leave this pretty neglected compared to the front yard. So this backyard's only gotten maybe an application of weed and feed early this spring, and then the only other thing I really do to it is just weed control. So I have the issue with the acacia or black lotus. Basically this thing popping up every once in a while. I have that for the most part controlled. But if you've seen in the previous videos, the problem mostly stems from this old stump over here. And you can see new one popping up. This is fairly recent. But like I said, I've been neglecting this backyard. So I decided to throw down a little bit of urea to see what results we get. I haven't even watered this in maybe 2 weeks. So I put down the Lesco brand 4600 using their recommended settings, which on the edge guard is a 4. See some of the granules in here. So I'm gonna water this in, step up the watering, and we'll see how this looks like in a couple weeks. And we're back 10 days after adding the urea. As you can see, we got a lot of decent growth here happening. Again, this backyard's been neglected for the most part. I just try to control the weeds back here. But let's give it a mow, see how it looks. And as you can see, after a little mow, still not looking too bad. You can tell I had to switch up the pattern here a little bit because I wanted to get rid of all the leaves that were down here. So instead of going down and back, I just went all in the same direction so I could pick up all the leaves. Anyway, not too bad for a yard that's been basically neglected. In the last 5 years, I haven't overseeded this. And I put the bare minimum of fertilizers on it. So we'll probably overseed this next year. Anyway, thanks again. Take care.